Today I'm going to make Lebanese shish tawouk for a regular diet and a soft food diet. We'll need plain yogurt, tomato paste, lemon juice, olive oil, ground ginger, paprika, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. And you'll need oregano and garlic. First, I'm going to start by preparing a soft protein. I'm choosing beans. Beans, tofu, and fish are all good soft proteins. Cook it in chicken stock. This is about 2 cups of chicken stock and an equal amount of water. I'm not putting in a specific amount of water. Whatever is left over afterwards, I'm just going to pour out. Shish means skewers and tawouk means chicken. This was originally a dish that you would have for shish kabobs. To start the marinade, we're going to need a 1/2 cup yogurt, and I'm making this for people who aren't on a soft food diet as well as people who are. So this dish is going to have 2 pounds of chicken breasts that it marinates. You'll need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, for the regular food diet, I am going to serve this with chicken. For the soft food diet, I'm going to serve it with beans or maybe tofu. You'll need 6 cloves of garlic, which I don't have ready yet. I have to chop those up. A tablespoon of tomato paste. That's one reason I was excited about this recipe, because I needed to use up the little bit of tomato paste in the can before it goes bad. We're going to need a teaspoon of paprika, three-quarters of a teaspoon cinnamon, and that's one thing I think that makes this dish taste really unique, is the fact that it uses cinnamon, which is a warming spice. It just gives it a unique flavor. We're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. This is often served with something that I also can't pronounce. Toum, T-O-U-M, which is basically a garlic sauce. And the ingredients in toum are literally garlic, salt, oil, and lemon juice. And then a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. To marinate the chicken, you want to marinate it for 4 hours or overnight. And with the garlic added, now that the beans are done, I'm going to drain the extra liquid. I'm going to make up a second batch of marinade that I'll use for the sauce over the beans. First, I'm going to start by cooking the garlic in a little bit of the oil. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients and cook it over medium for 15 minutes. I tried adding the beans to the marinade and it was too overpowering. So I would suggest putting the beans separately in a bowl and then you can control how much marinade you pour over them.